Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this walkthrough, I am going to show you how I built a digital clone of an influencer called Erica. Amazing influencer, gives money advice and tips. But you can really create a digital clone of anybody or any influencer from content you've found online. So I'm going to show you how this works and then I'm going to show you how I did it. Start chatting. We are going to select I want free shoes. So she gives advice in her content about flight refunds, how to get free shoes and lots of different things. And this is directly taking the information from the content that I have trained the assistant on based on her content. So you can see here it specifies Nike or Nike if you're American, because in the content I trained it on, she specifically talks about Nike. If we go to TikTok, what I've done is I've taken a couple videos, this example video you can see here, get free Nike shoes, taken some example videos and just given it to the assistant. And this is how I've cloned Erica. To show you what this actually looks like, I'm going to open this assistant for you. So we have the name here, the description, the prompt, and I haven't even given it a prompt. So this is the default prompt. I would highly recommend you give it a prompt, but as you saw, it works without even giving it a prompt. But I would recommend actually giving it a prompt and steering the assistant in some kind of way. But this is the important part. So you can see I trained it on 5 TikTok videos. And what you can do is add content to the knowledge source. So you can add from YouTube, you can train it on your favorite YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok. You can do other sources too, but we're kind of focused on social media right now. So you can just select TikTok, find the URL. Let's see. Here's how to skip the immigration line. Let's take that video, copy the URL. We're going to go back, you just paste it. And now it's adding that to the knowledge base. It's added, add source, and you'll see we have our SIP source there. I might say, how do I skip the immigration line? And I actually haven't watched that video. I love her content, but I haven't watched that specific video. And my assumption is this is kind of how she breaks it down. So this is a very easy way to create a digital clone of anybody from YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, or even if they have PDFs and documents, this is how you can create a digital clone of them. Please do so responsibly. This is not even in the public. I just use this to just test how the feature works. As a content creator myself, I would do it of myself. If you're going to do it of somebody publicly, I highly recommend at least getting their permission. And with Chipp, you can monetize. If we go sell here, you can monetize, but I wouldn't recommend monetizing a digital clone from somebody else's content, at least not without their permission and without giving them some money too. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and happy hacking.